Hernandez. Kasama niya si King, importante. Hernandez steps into that three and knocks it down.
Right off the bench, Levy Hernandez doesn't need a lot of time to heat up.
One thing's for sure, baka hindi kami pwede doon. Levy Hernandez sinks the three, and Chris Porter, a good addition to Batangas. But how about Levy Hernandez? He's been there and he's continued to contribute para dito sa Batangas. Look at that backspin on that three-pointer. That three-point shot of the game is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. As we head into this timeout, Batangas ahead by 9. Be happy for Coach Bud.
And it's a good sign because now you give these guys confidence that they can respond in these types of situations. It was a test for them and they responded well.
Now, Levy Hernandez had to adjust in that short. De La Virgen ahead to Levy. Hernandez, derecho, and Batangas has regained the lead. 10 points para kay Levy Hernandez, second player in double figures for Batangas. And there's not much choice here for Bulacan as they are already over the limit.
Yeah. Levy Hernandez going there and fighting through the space right there against the defense of the Bulacan Puyas, manufacturing a basket to get them back the lead. Has the speed to match up with Ubalde, keep in step with him, and also the height, making it hard for Paulo to make plays.
Levy Hernandez.
Big shot right there by Carandang to be able to stop the run by Batangas, but Hernandez continues to hit here for
Quarter for Bulacan. The scoring, Ochea, Levy. Oh, tough finish.
When they're patient, when they're moving that basketball, good things happen for Batangas City. I actually thought Ochea already had a shot underneath the basket, still decided to pass it out to Levy Hernandez, who attacks.
Oh, showing us the hang time move there. Levy Hernandez and the flex as well. That's always the problem when yung atake galing sa loob and ang kick out papunta sa shooter like Levy Hernandez, because wala na. Is fighting for position against Ibanez. Here he comes. Levy will lay it in.
That's just too easy for Levy Hernandez. He's had his